Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I'm outside the studio today and I'm here hanging out with my good friend Linda, and she took me to this fabulous restaurant called Penthouse located in the Huntley Hotel in Santa Monica. So let's go check it out. If this is the first time you discover my YouTube channel, hello, I'm Steve Jen. My YouTube channel is focused 90% beauty and skincare, 10% lifestyle. A little bit about my background. I have been working in the cosmetic industry in the USA for the last 27 years. I work as a beauty consultant, business manager, trainer, country trainer, brand ambassador. I hosted over thousands of master classes to help people to achieve beautiful, healthy looking skin. Also appear on QVC. This is the reason why you want to subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell, and you can count on my recommendations. Wow, I love this. And the lighting is so good here. When you stand right here, you get a pretty flat light, so your skin looks flawless. Wow. I think this will be my new favorite restaurant.
Oh, yeah. Looks so refreshing. I'll take you to more. There's plenty. Linda's got a repertoire of restaurants. A repertoire.
Cheers, do it right way. Friendships.
What I love about this is you get an appetizer, your second course, and of course it comes with dessert. If you want,
the dessert.
The dessert is
Oh
amazing.
my
The
God.
chocolate cake is amazing. The lemon, I believe, is it a tart? Yes, it is.
Tart.
It's so good because it's got the Japanese yuzu.
I love
So
yuzu.
good. So if you like, we can share because I'm not a big cheesecake person, but I love the chocolate and that. I'll have one of each and then,
Done.
share.
Done.
I'm all about.
You know what's missing here? It's not very California in LA. Where are the calories?
It's all hidden in every dish.
Oh my gosh, this looks good. Whoa, look at this. So, looks very fresh. I can smell the freshness in here too.
You have to try it. I think you'll like it. Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, I love the basil.
I think the basil adds a different dimension. Yeah.
This is so pretty. One bite. Oh, I can't. It's too hot. Yes. Oh, guys, just look at how crispy the skin is. Oh my God, this is so good.
I know. Tell me if you want more.
I'm not kidding. It's a lot of flavor, and the fish is fresh too. Look at the dripping here. This is crazy. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Whoa. This is no In-N-Out here.
I know.
Although I love In-N-Out burger. The bun is sweet, the meat is moist, not overcooked. And the lettuce is so fresh. I feel like they picked from the garden or something.
The farmer's market, they go shopping at the farmer's market.
No way,
Yeah,
really?
Yeah, the chef does every day.
Once your healthy lifestyle, after I take a 2 bite of the cheeseburger, you're doing the lettuce wrap now. Otherwise, It'll be so fattening. Plus, we're gonna have a chocolate kiss. It's all about balancing life. Eat this.
Go after it.
Just cut it. I was right. It's mousse inside. See? I know my dessert. Not sure it's a good thing or bad thing though.
So I
wish I should try yours first because.
Try yours. Try mine first because we're in the flavor.
Exactly. Do you mind?
Go for it. Wow.
Oh, it's very soft. It's a meringue.
It's a meringue.
Yeah. I say marshmallow. I was wrong.
I was wondering when my handsome.
Nice the view here. Oh my god. Oh, the air feels so good. You see that? Oh, I can just be here every day. Fresh air, ocean view. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Love, love, love. And then that's the restaurant here. It's so pretty. I think I'll definitely be back just to hang out. Wow, I love this. And the lighting is so good here. When you stand right here, you get a pretty flat light, so your skin looks flawless. Wow. I think this will be my new favorite restaurant.
Oh, I'll take you to more. There's plenty. Lidley's got a repertoire of restaurants. A repertoire.
Alright, thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful day with me and my friend in Penthouse. And I'll see you guys later. Bye! I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.